there's a lot of traffic coming through. No, I could filter like him. Oh. His name must be Simon.
Don't touch my property.
It's only a piece of glass, nothing you can do about it.
That could have broken. It's very
Well, if I broke, I'd have paid for it, but it wouldn't have broken.
It's very expensive. Please
But
don't
what
touch
should
it.
you not be touching?
Please don't touch.
But what
Please
should
don't
you
touch
not be
my-
touching?
Don't touch my property.
What should you not be touching? It's too late, I've filmed it already anyway. And this, it's too late, I've already filmed it and the screen's clearly lit up.
Don't touch my
I'll
property.
touch it if I like. What are you going to do?
Are you threatening me?
No.
It sounds like you're threatening me.
Of what? I'm not going to do a single ounce of harm to you. I just said I'll touch it if I like. There you go.
Don't threaten me.
I haven't threatened you.
Don't threaten me, don't touch my property.
Right, well I'll still be reporting what you've been doing.
Do not threaten me.
I'm not threatening you. I haven't threatened you once. Of what?
You're being vicious. Do not threaten me.
How am I being vicious?
Yes, go away.
I haven't done anything to you. FE72SSU. That's all we need anyway. That'll teach you for not
Thank you.
How does he get that? I haven't done a single bit of No, don't blame me for it. It's fine, mate. You didn't need to squeeze through for me. Ooh, alright. I'm just a bit skinnier than you in all the right places.